Hi, I'm Brian Raymond from ICANN, and today I'm here at Markertek and I want to tell you about our new SKUs, the LBX8-POE and the LBX10-POE. These lights feature the same chassis as our traditional DMX fixtures, but we've now included a Ethernet port for PoE control, ArtNet and sACN, and this allows you to connect the light with one cable for Cat6 for power and control for a clean installation. And it's very simple to control them. I'm using freeware right now from Q-Lite, and I have the lights set up on 192.168.1.199, and they're addressed to channel 1 and 3. So because these are bicolor fixtures, they use two channels. So I have one channel for dimming and another channel for color temperature. And you could see it's very easy to control these, and it's still DMX, but now the DMX signal is coming over the Ethernet cable via ArtNet or sACN. Another important note is the LBX8-POE is a low profile fixture, and you could see you could hang this light from a clamp or even a scissor clamp from the ceiling, and it will only create a distance from the clamp to the ceiling of 7 inches. So this is great for corporate boardrooms and classrooms that use drop ceilings and have low clearance. This is the LBX10-POE and the LBX8-POE from ICANN.